Here is how to share a Google Drive with someone. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can share a Google Drive with someone. So let's start. First of all, open the Google Drive app that you have in your device and log into your account. After you log into your account, you will come to the home screen like this. Now locate the file or photo that you want to share. After that, tap on the three dots on the right side of that specific file or folder. Then after, go to share. After that, you will find this manage access option on the bottom side of your screen. Tap on it. Then after, under general access, tap on change. Now tap on the arrow like option and then set it to anyone with the link. After you set the above setting, make sure viewer is selected in this option. After you have managed the access, now it's time to add the contacts. Select the people or group that you want to share the Google Drive with. For that, tap on add people or groups and write their email addresses. Or if you want to share the file or folder outside of Gmail, go back once. Then after, tap on the three dots once again and then tap on copy link. After that, share the link on any social media platform. Then you will be able to share the drive with that specific person or a group of people. So in this way, you can share a Google Drive with anyone that you want. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.